Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pizza without the oven using just a normal atta or whole wheat flour and without any yeast. It's very simple and I'm sure your family will enjoy eating it as much as you enjoy making it. So let's get started. We will need 1 cup of the whole wheat of the chili flakes. Tawa. On the tawa, I will be putting this plate with the pizza and I will be covering it with another pan. After 15 minutes, I lift it and as you can see, the pizza is ready.